G'day guys. First thing I'm going to be doing to the Patrol this year is replacing the fuel filter with a Delphi CAV filter. Main reasons for doing that, apart from the fact it was a Christmas present from our mates at Four Wheel Drive Systems, this filter actually provides better filtering than the unit that's currently in there at the moment. So that's the unit I'm replacing is about a 12 micron filter, whereas this is a 5 to 7 micron filter. So instantly we're getting twice the filtering as the current system. The other key reason is this glass bowl on the bottom here. Doing big trips, daily checks, it's really easy to see if there's any water in our diesel, any other contaminants, that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's at the end of the day, it's all about trying not to be that guy standing on the side of the road with a car that doesn't go. So better filtering, easy to see whether there's water in the diesel, and the filters themselves are actually about half to a quarter of the cost of the existing filter that's in there. So let's get about putting it in the Patrol, hey? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just lightly pinch the inbound fuel line. I'm also going to stick a drop tray under there to catch any leaking fuel. With that done, it should just be a case of twisting this one off and twisting this one on. Let's hope it is as simple as that. Alrighty, so let's one thing I did forget to mention is the one disadvantage of using the CAV filter is the fact that you lose the water sensor light in the cabin. Given I've heard mixed reports on how well that light actually works, I can't say I'm overly concerned about it. And it's a 12-year-old car, so I think I'm good for any other warranty concerns. There we go, one out. Alrighty. Yeah, this is a simple replacement module, so it should just screw on. If I can get my hand down there. There we go. It helps if you spin it the right way. There we go. Right, I'll tighten that up properly. And that's pretty much done. I just need to bleed the fuel system now and then turn the car over. All right, I'll tighten that up and then we'll have a go. Now the filter's done up nice and tight, it's time to bleed the system so we can turn the car over. So I just need to loosen off the outside. Oh, that clamp's stiff. There we go. Nothing like a little bit of rust. Alright, so it's loosened off. We'll take our multi-clips off of this side, the other side, and then we have our fun little pump up here. Oops. Yeah, there's the bowl. When it starts coming out, Ah, there we go. Back on. Do this back up. All right, that's done back up. Now I just need to clean up that spilt diesel before we can turn it over. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Pigtail light goes out and make sure she's out of gear. Ha! Winning! I've got to say that went in a lot easier than what I was expecting. Screwed off, screwed on, bled the system, started the vehicle, job done. Massive thanks to our mates down at 4-Wheel Drive Systems for supplying the filter. I will say this is an old school 4.2 turbo diesel. So if you are running a CRD common rail diesel, they run a lot higher fuel pressures and a lot finer particle filtration. So look, bottom line is just make sure you do your due diligence on your vehicle and yeah, it should be happy days. So look, if you like our videos, guys, click us to subscribe and yeah, we'll see you out on the track. Cheers.